If your cucumber leaves are turning white and powdery, don't wait. This spreads fast and it can wipe out your whole harvest in less than 2 weeks. I'm going to show you exactly how to stop it, using 2 things sitting in your kitchen right now. This is what powdery mildew looks like, a white dusty coating that starts on a few leaves and spreads across the whole plant. It's caused by fungal spores that thrive in warm days, cool nights, and poor air circulation, which is exactly the weather most of us get in mid to late summer. Left untreated, it blocks sunlight from reaching the leaf surface. That means less energy for the plant, smaller cucumbers, and leaves that turn yellow and die off within days. One thing most people miss: powdery mildew doesn't need standing water to spread, unlike a lot of other plant diseases. It travels through the air as spores, which is exactly why one infected leaf can turn into a whole infected plant within just a few days. That's also why crowded plants with leaves touching each other get hit the hardest. There's simply less airflow to keep the spores from settling. Here's the good news: you don't need a chemical fungicide to deal with this. Baking soda raises the pH on the leaf surface, which creates an environment fungal spores struggle to survive in. Cinnamon has natural antifungal compounds that slow the spread even further. Together, they don't just mask the problem, they actively work against the fungus while being completely safe around kids, pets, and your vegetables. Here's everything you need, and I'd bet you already have all of it. 1 liter of warm water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a few drops of dish soap. That's it, 4 ingredients, and you probably won't spend a single extra rupee. Let this sit for about 10 minutes so the cinnamon has time to release its compounds into the water. While you wait, this is a good time to check the rest of your plant for any other affected leaves. Once it's rested, strain out the cinnamon residue using a fine cloth or coffee filter. This step matters, because leftover particles will clog your spray bottle. Before you spray the whole plant, test it on just 1 leaf first and wait a few hours. Most plants handle this mixture just fine, but testing first protects you in case your specific variety is sensitive to it. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle and apply it directly to the affected leaves, but don't stop there. Spray the healthy leaves too, and make sure you get the undersides, since that's where mildew spores usually start. Cover the entire plant evenly, and try to do this in the early morning or evening, never in direct afternoon sun, or you risk leaf burn. Reapply this every 5 to 7 days, and within 2 weeks you should see the white coating fading and new growth coming in clean and green. This one simple spray has saved more of my cucumber harvest than almost anything else I've tried. If you want the exact ratio written down so you can save it for next season, comment mildew and I'll send it your way. And if this helped, subscribe for more real fixes for real garden problems. See you in the next one.